We just wrapped up an incredible holiday in Las Vegas, but the adventure isn't over. We're driving across the desert to California, and today we have to navigate a mystery rental car, visit a strange set of painted rocks in the middle of nowhere, and survive a legendary 1950s diner. But first, we had to actually find our car.
Is it red? Is it? This would be cool, this Rubicon.
Yeah.
Oh, that truck would be nice next to it. Oh, there's a Jeep in it. Yeah. Looks small though, don't it, a Jeep? Our little car for the travels.
Yeah, cute.
For the first time in 5 years, I was back on the road again, doing this all with my best friend by my side, which makes it all that much better. It's not until you're out here that you realise the peace and beauty a road trip brings. For those moments, it's just you and the road, no worries from back home, just enjoying what life has to offer in that very moment.
On the road now going to 7 Magic Mountains, so you looked it up, so what is it?
I think it's like, I don't know how many pillars, but it's a load of like colourful pillars, rocks, like big rocks stood up in the middle of nowhere.
So we're kind of thinking it might be one of them places where you just go take your photos back in the car, but we'll see. But we don't have loads of time. Yeah. And then we're going to go to Peggy Sue's diner, which I'm very excited about. So I think it's like a 50s diner, which I love all that era. And then I love a little diner. So yeah, I'm very excited. So we will take some videos and show you when we get there.
We will indeed. There's a lot of people though.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Did you go in this way, yeah?
Just go in whatever way you want to.
It was really windy outside at the 7 Magic Mountains, so we've had to wait to get back in the car to kind of speak about what we thought of the place, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know, it was right, like, there was a lot of people there. I'm surprised by
Yeah,
how
a lot
many
of
people are
people.
there for where it is. It's just a random place in the middle of nowhere, off the strip by quite a bit, and it's just like 6 or 7, you'll see it in the video.
Rocks.
Rocks on top of each other that have been painted.
Yeah.
But,
So it said it was a sculpture by some artist that was in some museum, and it was about meditating, balancing the rocks. So there's like big rocks on top of smaller rocks. But yeah, I think it was 6 or 7, and then maybe 5 or 6.
6, 7.
Yeah. And then 5 or 6 rocks on top, just all different colours. But it was cool to see. You wouldn't need to spend more than 5 or 10 minutes there, but it's on our route, so yeah, it was cool to see something a bit different.
That's what I would say. If it's on your route, stop off. We're like, if you're in Vegas on the strip,
I wouldn't be
I
going
wouldn't be going out your way to go see it. But it's cool, it's different. I guess you probably won't see it really many other places. Definitely won't see it in England. But
we thought, I think it's kind of like something you see on Route 66 when we did Route 66 a few years ago. If you just stop at these random little things, and it just reminded me of that. But
As we kept driving, we passed a little town called Prim, home to the Buffalo Bills casino. At the time, I didn't fully realise what we were looking at. This place is iconic, a massive desert resort right on the Nevada-California border. But today, it's slowly closing down, turning into a modern ghost town right before our eyes.
So it's hard to see in in this video, but if you look right in the middle, in the center, you can see that this road is just like one really straight road in the middle of nowhere.
It just goes as far as your eye can
Yeah,
see.
which you just would not see in England.
It's proper, like, it's what you would expect in the middle of America.
Yeah,
You're driving
yeah.
America and you're like, oh, show me a picture like this. is
Yeah,
what you look
definitely.
like.
There she is, Peggy Sue's. We made it. Very cute little looking diner. Entrance.
Hear the music.
Oh, thank you. Just round. I think to the right. Well, that is very old school. This is proper old school. Two, please. Walking in, we thought it was a charming, tiny little diner. We were wrong. This place keeps going on forever. It's less of a diner and more of a 1950s labyrinth. Are we still going all the way through there? Are we? It's big, isn't it? It's like a DJI. I guess. Amount of times I've gone to pick that up to drink thinking it's my milkshake. Looks very beige in this video, but it does look good in person.
Yeah, it does look nice.
Yeah, it's pretty good. We're sharing this, and that was a good suggestion by Susanna.
Thank you.
Because, yeah, looking at it now, I wouldn't have wanted to eat all that by myself.
I haven't had curly fries in a long time, so I'm excited about them.
Tell you what. They're banging. The curly fries are well nice, aren't they?
I like an onion ring with more
This?
crunch than onion, and that's what they're like.
Yeah. Oh no, I've lost all my onion in there. Those curly fries are so good.
Did you have curly fries at McDonald's in England?
Do we?
Did
Would I?
4 years ago,
I
they
think
did
so.
curly fries. So you never had them?
No, I
McDonald's
haven't
did a good curly fry.
So this is basically, it is a beef burger and a sandwich.
Yeah.
With onion, cheese. Looks pretty good, see what it's like.
It's good, just simple.
It's not bad. It's got a burger taste, not like a burger to me.
Oh, okay.
And it's very greasy, like.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if the camera can see that. My fingers, I don't know, I don't think they can see that. It's just really annoying. My fingers are dripping with grease. Yeah, but it doesn't taste like a burger. That was better with the onion. It tastes
like a
more like a
burger.
burger with onion.
It almost tastes like a burger, like a frozen burger they put in the oven. You know?
All the pies on selection. Everyone's excited about the classic old school pie. They love a gift shop, don't they, in America?
This
Yeah, even the decor, like the colour and everything. Oh, they got some nice. Oh, they got some big old tubs of ice cream in there. They're massive, aren't they? Looks like a massive, you know, like a tin of paint from like Wix or something. Oh yeah, the bottled drinks.